ISIS is holding hostages here and holding out a dark warning to the world.
Martial law, Mindanao group of violence.
This is all-out conflict. It's pretty devastating.
We're all very, very shaken.
This isn't Iraq or Syria, it's Marawi and the Philippines, and ISIS captured it.
Sa labas, nasa pintuan na ng bahay namin.
Actually, ang tropa ko, isa halo-halo yan. May Muslim din, saka Christian. So, wala man pinagkakaiba. Only the religion. Yun lang. Hindi magtatagal yan. Makukuha na rin natin lahat yung kalaban. Kung hindi sila susuko ngayon, mamamatay din lahat sila dyan.
Filipino troops are battle-tested by decades of insurgencies and rebellion.